Gather close, kin, by the fire's glow. What shadows fall upon the clan when the young men draw back from the young women in the shared circle of learning, lest a misplaced glance or word leave their paths unwalked and voices hushed forever.
Picture the long house of instruction where the elder guide bids all to labor as one, sharpening tongues and hands for the hunts and harvests ahead. The young women call out, their voices echoing unanswered, while the young men huddle in corners, eyes fixed on the earth. Tools of the mind lie idle, scrolls unshared, tasks half done. No blame falls yet, but the weave of daily duty frays at the edge.
Here's what followed. The elder guide presses them into paired labors, fields to till and baskets to fill together. Yet the young men stand apart, hands still, awaiting the storm of mistrust. Young women shoulder the load alone, their arms weary, their yield scant. Trust between hearth, fires weakens, whispers cross thresholds, fathers question sons, mothers eye daughters with doubt. The circle's rhythm stumbles. What was once a steady song becomes silence in the furrows.
But the cost ran deeper still. Elders meant to shape the next keepers of law find their words lost in the wind. Young men, once bold to claim their stead in the line, now guard their steps like untried wanderers, fearing every shadow hides a broken branch from the family tree. Pairings that should bloom by summers turn wither unspoken, no oaths exchanged, no hands joined over the well. Households stand empty of new voices, the young drift as lone hunters, their fires cold through the long nights.
Meanwhile, the neighborhood feels the strain mount. Shared pastures grow uneven, one side overgrazed, the other barren from neglect. Girls form their own rings, strong but solitary, while boys sharpen skills in isolation, axes dull from want of whetstone talk. Elders' tales of old alliances fade unheard. Children watch from doorways, learning division over unity. Labor slows across the village, fields call for hands entwined, yet arms remain crossed. What path leads from here but narrower trails?
The weave tightens to breaking, kinship's thread, spun from mingled labors and trusted glances, unravels thread by thread. Elders grow heavy with untold wisdom, young ones scatter like leaves before the gale. Hearths echo empty, elders untended in the chill, children's laughter drowned in the quiet that follows withdrawal.
Hear now the elder's unyielding word. If this drawing back endures, clans fracture into hollow shells, children go hungry at barren boards, elders fade unseen by the fire, fields lie fallow under unshared skies, and the line itself trails into mist, lost to the wind. Turn back to labor joined, trust forged in the daily round, oaths proven by hand and hearth, or see the village fade as echoes in the valley. What would your ancestors have chosen?
Gather close, kin by the fire's glow, and if the echoes of our ancestors resonate within you, let that feeling flow outward. Speak it, share it, and honor it with your presence. Each act of sharing weaves a stronger thread in the fabric of understanding that binds us across generations. Your voice adds to the circle, keeping alive the quest for truth as we examine not only ourselves, but also the patterns woven into our shared existence. Leave your marks where they may guide others, through comments or reflections, and follow the paths traced to sources of wisdom. Know that by standing with this work you sustain our collective effort. Thus the lessons of those who came before us continue their journey through time. If this drawing back endures, clans fracture into hollow shells, children go hungry at barren boards, while elders fade unseen by the fire, and fields lie fallow under unshared skies. Turn back to labor joined and trust forged in daily toil, or witness your village fade into echoes lost in the valley. What would your ancestors have chosen?